These kids have been doing this for probably about 25 minutes, half hour. What are you guys doing? Are you playing with the balls? Is it fun? Is it fun? Or are you stuck? More balls! You need more balls! I'll help! Oh, Kaisa's playing with all the balls. Should we all put balls into it? Put the balls in. Then we'll have more balls. Right, Emerson? Yeah. Are you going to help too, Kaisa? Help. Everybody help. Wow. And there goes Kaisa. Jump, jump, jump. Help, help. He's not the most efficient ball collector, but that's okay. Wiggle, wiggle! Wiggle, wiggle! Wiggle, 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 wiggle! Wiggle, wiggle! Is Emerson swimming? Kaisa, are you gonna come get in? Careful, Emerson's like a tornado. He's like a tornado. And hey guys, let's move the oh no. Let's move the ball back next into the middle of the soft rug. We ready? Okay, careful, Em. We're gonna move it to the middle of the soft rug. There we go. Oop! Kaboom! How you doing, kiddo? Let me see. Are you okay? Oh, let's check it out. Do you want to jump in the balls?
Yeah.
Yeah, she doesn't even. Are you okay? You want me to kiss it? You okay? Stand back here. Boom! Oh my goodness. The trains? Is Kaisa gonna play with the trains? Oh, you kids. What a life. You can go get another train, Kaisa. Did he take your train? Do you want to go get another one? Here, Kaisa, I think he forgot about your train. Here, look. Kaboom. Okay, can you guys say bye-bye to the camera?
Bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye, camera. Kaisa, can you say bye-bye, camera?
Bye-bye, camera.
Okay. And the craziness ensues. Hey, Emmy, let's leave the choo-choos out of the ball bath. because I'm worried that someone jumping might get hurt. Emmy, the trains don't live in the ball bath. They live outside the ball bath.